Good afternoon. My name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor to Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today we're going to discuss with the labor attorney Jung Bong-soo about the manual called Workplace and Sexual Harassment Prevention Manual. So could you explain about the background of you publishing this manual?
Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I'm very glad to introduce my newly published book, the Workplace and Sexual Harassment Prevention Manual. The reason why I publish it is that I have handled such a workplace the harassment cases so often. So this inspired me to think more how I can produce some material, so my potential client or my retained client they understand what is the content for this like prevention for this workplace and sexual harassment cases. So how I publish it is I have contributed more than 10 articles regarding these workplace harassment cases. So I think these articles are basic content of this book. Also, I'm sure this book is very timely and also it's very important to publish because it's hard to find some manual for this like workplace harassment or sexual harassment cases. So I hope this book will contribute to prevention for these topics. Yeah.
I see. Thank you. So my second question is, I think this is a very good timing for you to publish this Workplace and Sexual Harassment Prevention Manual. So could you explain about the major content of this manual?
Yeah. So this manual is usually produced or published based on actual labor cases. So it includes 4 different chapters. First chapter is like employees' basic duty and basic concept of what is workplace harassment or what is workplace sexual harassment. So this topic we have to understand what are concept. Also, the following chapters, chapter 2 and chapter 3, is focused on workplace harassment cases. The other one, the sexual harassment cases. So I'm special. I focus on this workplace harassment. Also, my co-author, the Professor Kim Lim, focused on the sexual harassment in the workplace. So also in this chapter 2 and chapter 3 explained about actual cases, also how to handle them, also what is the result of the cases. That is how we handled them. Also last chapter, chapter 4, it introduced more than 30 such cases. So those cases are based on the court rulings or government like labor boards the decisions about such labor cases. Yeah.
I see. So my last question is, I think it would be very beneficial for many people. So who would be the target audience for this manual? Could you explain?
Okay, I think the major target for this book is I think employer who own their company, also those people who are working in human resource management team, they will understand these topics in advance, then they can work hard to prevent such workplace harassment or workplace sexual harassment cases. So those are my major the client, maybe target client. Also, any labor, any workers who become the victim to those cases, then they need to know how they can take legal action, how can protect themselves. So this manual will help those workers to prepare and prevent such cases in the real workplace. Yeah.
I see. I very much look forward to seeing the publication very soon.
Okay, thank you very much for your asking. Please look forward to this book. I'm sure this book will help you. Yeah. Okay, thank you.